we really learn English while cooking in the kitchen? Can we learn English while driving? Is it ବୁଝି ପାରୁଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବୁଝି ପାରିବିନି ତ କେମିତି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେବି ଆମ ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖିବା ପାଇଁ can we really train our ears? Is it possible? Can we really learn English while cooking in the kitchen? Can we learn English while driving? Is it possible? Absolutely possible. ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ଆମେ actually ଆମ day to day life ରେ ଏତେ busy ରହୁଛୁ ଯେ we cannot actually take out enough time to learn English. Absolutely. That is acceptable. କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମର basic responsibilities are much more important than learning anything. Absolutely right. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି these are also effective tools to improve your communication skills. Yes, absolutely right. Suppose you are on a long drive and you have to travel for 2 hours or something, and if it is a daily practice, even then also you can do a lot in order to improve your communication skills. Or else if you are a homemaker and you have your career goals and you want to improve your communication skills but you spend really long time in the kitchen, at that moment also you can actually learn English. How is it possible? It is definitely possible. You know how? That is by training your ears. See, आमे जेतेबेले गोटे छोटो पिला जेतेबेले से एक्चुअली छोटो थाए से केमिति भाषाटा शिखे से समस्त बापा माँ भाई भौणी जेते जण अछन सेमानकु से सुने से कोन कॉन्शियसली सुने नो से सबकॉन्शियसली सुने and that is the most powerful way. That is the most powerful way. We don't give importance to that, but that is the most powerful way to train our subconscious mind. Yes, my friend, to train our subconscious mind is so important. So important. Kahinki na, we should take English not as a subject, but as a habit. Yes, I am telling about making English as a habit, not a subject. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛୁ କି English is the subject and we have to do a lot of studies and research and all that, we take a step back. It is not like that. If you keep having that kind of attitude or mentality, we will always keep a distance from this language. Rather, let's make it familiar slowly and gradually. And how is that possible? Let's take step by step procedures. See, as I said, if you're driving or if you are in the kitchen, just play any podcast or any video in English. Let it just play. And I'm sure when it is playing, you learn a lot of things. You learn a lot of things. At least you can actually comprehend what the other person is speaking. ଆପଣ धीरे धीरे निजर गोटे कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हम जे मु जहाँ शुणुची मु ताको एक्चुअली बुझी पारुची एमती तो नुह कि मु बुझी पारुनी एटलिस्ट आप से फर्स्ट स्टेजटा क्लीयर करदेवे आप जानते जितेबाला आमको कॉन्फिडेंस आसे कि अरे आई कैन रियली अंडरस्टैंड वेल इफ आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेल जितेबाला मोर लिसनिंग स्किल्स बहुत भल अच्छी मुझे कही कहीं न पारि कहीं आम जितेबाला बहुत भल स्पीकर्स सांगे कथा हो फर्स्ट आम गोटे बड़ ऑब्स्टेकल थाए जे अरे मु बुझी पारुची ना नाई एटा मु जदि बुझी पारिबिन तो केमती उत्तर देबी आमर से ऑब्स्टेकल को ना आमे पार करबाटा बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट तेणु फर्स्ट and the most foremost part is that you need to improve your listening skills, and that can be done like this. It's not at all difficult. You can do it simultaneously. So from today, if you are having such kind of long things at the same time you will learn, it is not impossible. Try to implement these methods and see the wonderful changes. Until then, keep learning. Jai Jagannath.